Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, the battle about Chidimma is still going. Okay? Now there's some video, there's a surprising video that you guys will see. I will include the clip here. So a Nigerian TV show was celebrating Chidimma, guys. They were celebrating her for being in the Miss South African pageant, and they say that they are rooting for her to win so that they can celebrate with her. I don't understand, I'm not taking anybody's side. I'm not on any side regarding this matter, because she does have a South African ID, so I really don't have a lot to say. I don't want to speculate or something, but they say they are rooting for her to win Miss South Africa, and then they celebrate with her. Like, it's giving what, guys? It's giving what? Like, hey, couldn't off. But yeah, guys, please watch this video.
We are rooting for Chidimma. We're hoping that she wins, and it's important to highlight these things when they do happen, because as Nima has said, there is a history of xenophobia in South Africa, and when we realize that the community itself should be intentional about changing the view or the perception other people have of South Africa concerning non-South Africans that live in their country. So it's important for us to just support Chidimma and wishing her the best, that hopefully she's able to win the pageant, and we can also celebrate her all the way here. And
so that's the thing. Let her win the pageant and let South Africa celebrate her. When we now celebrate her, she has taken it home.
Even Mozambique too celebrate her.
Yes.
The whole of Africa
That's what Africa was hoping.
Because the goal is that she would go and represent South Africa in the Miss Universe pageant.
And they were calling Chidimma, not Bonang.
But she's African, now our turn.
So Gahle, she must win here in South Africa and then go and celebrate in Nigeria. The next thing we know, Nigeria has their own political party here in South Africa. That was one day. So but yeah, they were saying that they are rooting for her to win, and then they just, celebrate with her in Nigeria and all of that. And we will see, guys, we will see. And but please let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think of this matter? I know her father is Nigerian, so like it makes sense for them to want to celebrate with her, but Nabo Vele to just say it like that on our faces. They didn't even try to hide it or anything like that, So guys, let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think of this whole thing now that you've seen the video?